Welcome to Oak Island. I'm Cris Young on the air. Every day we get calls, questions. Homeowners want to find out, my system's not working. What can I do? I need to know whether I really need you or not. First thing to do, check the filter. A dirty filter will turn the system off very quickly. It'll protect itself. A dirty filter, letting the filter get dirty is the worst thing you can do for your system. Then there's breakers, the electrical breakers in the circuit box. If you're not comfortable going into the electrical cable, don't do it. But if you're comfortable checking the breakers, there's a breaker for the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. Check and make sure they're on. In addition to that, if your thermostat goes blank, the system has protected itself. So it shut everything down, cut the power off to the thermostat. And we don't want you to do anything with that other than give us a call. So check breakers, check filter, recognize if you need us, we're here. Love to help you.
You can call Oak Island.